Hi Amy, I wanted to make you a video of how my makeup was today. My inspiration is my sister's New Year's Eve dress, and so it's pretty much black with a lot of sparkles on it. So this is my very first attempt at a smoky look, and I rushed. Mr. Jinx, no. I rushed, so it doesn't look that great to me, but here it is. I just put black on the outsides and then like a silvery black and a shimmery white, and yes, this is what I came up with. Oh, and I used my Ben 9 magic cake there. And yes, that's what I came up with, and all that good stuff. And I'm sorry, I keep looking down. I hope I'm even in the shot. Mr. Jinx wants to say hello. Say hello, Mr. Jinx. No. My baby is in the sink. So, yes, that's him. Oh, I guess I'll show you really fast, because it's already past a minute, and yeah. This, oh, we finally got a fridge. It's bigger than I can show, but yeah. My freezer. Excuse me, here it goes. And there's the fridge. But okay, that is all. And yes, I know you can't see me, it's dark. But, yeah, that's all I wanted to say and show you and all that stuff. So, yes, I think I could have done way better, but I hope you like it. So, see you later. Bye. Bye.